Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, kule video namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngoThabiso Mlife lo ikhansela le-MK Party ngapha eNorth-West. Bese sikhuluma ngeindaba ezimnandi eshuwe uMinister of Health uDr Aaron Motsoaledi. Ilokho nje ngifuna sikubheke. Kodwa ke le pic engiyifakile la ku screen sakho ngifisa ikukhumbuze njalo kusuka ngomhla ka-1 May ukuthi iVAT uma isikhuphukile isu-15.5% kungenxa labantu babona ku screen sakho. Futhi izobe ingagcinile nangonyaka ozayo izophinde ikhuphuke ngo-0.5% okuzogcina kuyenze yaba u-16%. Ngifisa njalo kukukhumbuza ukuthi izinto zibiza nje nampa abantu abayivotela bathi kulungile azibizi izinto. ESouth Africa ke kunenkinga yama-graduate unemployed. Kuthe makuqala unyaka nje kwatoyitoyo odokotela bangapha e-Eastern Cape bekhala ukuthi ama-contractor ayaphela uhulumeni akawavuseleli. Bethi-ke bona bakhalela abantu basemakhaya noma nabo bezohlala bengasebenzi kodwa abantu bebebasevisa bona abantu basemakhaya. Umuntu kohlala emakhaya uyazi ukuthi udoctor akekho khona ngey'nsuku zonke. Kwamanye amaklinikhi udoctor ukhona ngey'nsuku ey'thize. Kodwa lokuba khona kwakhe kungcono kunokuthi angabibikho. Wavela uDr Aaron Motsoaledi washo ukuthi cha uhulumeni akanayo imali yingakho odoctor laba bengabathathi. Uvele-ke ney'ndaba ezithembisayo izolo ey'thinta wona ama-graduate. Kodwa ngaphambi basingene kulezi ndaba avele nazo uDr Aaron Motsoaledi ngoba ziyizindaba ezinhle kodwa kwi-portfolio committee lapho kwakubuzwa khona uMinister uSihle Lonzi we-EFF wabuza umbuzo obalulekile kuMinister engifisa ukuthi siqale kuwo ngoba kungenzeka kuba le ndaba zimnandi nje kodwa zizogcina zingababhenefithanga abantu base-South Africa. Labo kuyibona ababamba ama-queue amade, labo kuyibona abadela isikhathi sabo bayovota, bevotela bona labantu abasiphethe. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela leyo video kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho kulolu daba.
Honorable Lonzi.
No, thank you very much. I think we want to know from the minister. Minister, have you ever seen the critical skills list? And do you know what skills are there in the critical skills list? Because when you keep speaking about skills shortage, a lot of that information comes from the critical skills list. And I can tell you now, for example, on that list, you have got doctors. You can't persuade me with so many unemployed doctors in South Africa that the profession of doctors is a critical skill that we don't have in South Africa. On that list, you've got nurses. You can't persuade me that we don't have young South African nurses who should be working in public service, who should be working in health, and many other government departments. So my question to you, Minister, is number one, have you seen the critical skills list in South Africa that deals with the so-called skills shortage, which is not true, by the way? And if you have seen it, do you agree that a doctor should be considered and put in that list, considering how many young unemployed doctors are in South Africa? Thank you.
Thank you. The Honorable Minister.
Njengoba umuzwa nje uSihle Lonzi ebuza uMinister ukuthi Minister uke wayibona ilist na ekhuluma ngama-critical skills, ama-skills esingenawo azodinga ukuthi kuze kusuka abantu abaphuma kwamanye amazwe bazosebenza kulawo maphosti lawo na. Umbuzo nje olulo uMinister afuneka aphendule ukuthi yebo ngeke ngayibona ilist noma cha angizange ngayibona ilist. Uzuyasho uSihle Lonzi uthi kule ya list kulist engisho doctor kodwa sinawo ama-graduate ango-doctor la eSouth Africa. So uke wayibona ilist na ngoba kufanele odoctor bakhishwe kule ya list ukuze uMinister mayithi sinama-skills la asiphoqa ukuthi asiqashe abantu bangaphandle sonke sibone ngoba odoctor sinabo eSouth Africa. Asizwe ukuthi uphendule wathini uMinister.
Thank you very much, Chair. I appreciate the question from the member, but I can only answer it by saying, I'm not sure whether he's referring to the question in particular as of last year, but if it's generally speaking for all other years before, I will say that you've got some of these, in particular nurses and others, because it's health and education, who have been into the system for quite long. And there's a reason for that, which I don't think applies to the purpose of the very same question. However, if we're talking about a doctor, there are many critical skills that are out there, but being a doctor does not mean it's a critical skill literally by being a doctor. My brother is a medical doctor, but he can't operate on the heart.
Honorable
So-
Minister, can you please pause? There's a hand, Honorable Lonzi.
Chair, the question was simple. Have you seen the critical skills list?
No, Honorable Lonzi, the minister is still responding. Honorable Minister.
Chair, also the energy of the minister. Please, can the energy level, please? We're talking about the skills here.
Ufuna ukumenzani?
No, we are not playing sports, honorable members. There's no need for energy. We are responding to questions. The Honorable Minister.
Thank you. I'm happy that the question is coming from the same members, so they've taken their time to disrupt me while I was giving answers to them. I think what I've given is enough. The rest they are not interested in.
Yona impendulo kaminister le. Uma bemcina ngombuzo ukhetha ukuthi hayi ngcono ayeka angaphenduli ngoba abaneliseki. Kanti umbuzo ubulula ukuthi ukwayibona ilist na. Yena ufuna ukuchaza ukuthi odokotela abefani. Uzwenza umzekelo ngomfowabo uthi umfowabo uyi-medical doctor kodwa lokho akakwazi uku-operate inhliziyo. Ukube kodwa ukhulume ngelist, ukube kuyi-list kuspecifayiwe ukuthi odoctor esingenabo mhlawumbe ayilaba abalungisa abakhipha iy'nhliziyo noma aba-operate iy'nhliziyo ngabe kungcono. Akungalistwa as doctors kuphela. Yingakho-ke ebonile ukuthi ngcono angawuphendula umbuzo. Athi ngidlaleleke iclip leka Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi.
I was going to say, however, a new budget presented by the Minister of Finance on the 12th of March 2025. We believe we are in a position to announce to you today that the Council has approved advertisement of 1,200 jobs for doctors, 200 nurses, and 250 other healthcare professionals at the cost of 1.78 billion rand. The Human Resources Unit will soon commence with recruitment processes once all logistics have been finalized.
Ingakho ngithema ngiqala ngathi indaba ezimnandi lezi eyisho minister ngoba lokhu nje uma ngabe udoctor qualified uhlele ekhaya uma uzwa kuthiwa kuzophuma ipost HR izolungisa leyo ndaba leyo recruitwa kanjani kuzobe kufuneka odoctor aba 1200 no nurse aba 200 kanye namanye ama healthcare professionals azodingakala. Kuya kuphi ithemba noma ungangaqashwa wena kodwa mabeqashwa abanye at least odoctor bazothathwa bafake kwi-system. At least uyabona ukuthi okay kunento eyenzakalayo. Kodwa ke okufike kube buhlungu ukuthi kubo labo doctor abayi 1200 bazoqashwa abo doctor abaphuma kwamanye amazwe ngoba bakwi-list le usihlelonzi kade eyibuza. Ekugcineni kosuku lemzamo noma lento ememezelwa uDr. Aaron Motsoaledi ayizukuba benefit abantu base South Africa ngoba njengoba ama graduate ekhona ngiwazi mangaka ngizange wabheka ama statistics ukube njengoba ama graduate ekhona ukuphuma ka 100 noma 50 qasha abantu bakwamanye amazwe esikhundleni sodokotela lokho nje kukodwa kuzobe kusho ukuthi kunabantu abawu50 noma abawu100 base South Africa abangodokotela abaqualified abangeke besawuthola umsebenzi. Ilokhu nje bengithi asiqale kukho okusho uDr. Aaron Motsoaledi khona mawulalele kuhle kodwa okubuhlungu ukuthi kuzogcina qashwa doctor abangaphandle kuzogcina qashwa doctor abavela kwamanye amazwe. Angisho ukuthi abangaqashwa ngoba ngizazi ivumelwano zabo angisho ukuthi abangaqashwa kodwa kuyinkinga esinayo unemployment befuneka izinto zenziwe ngenye indlela. Ngiyacela ukuza uphawula kwakho ngalolu daba ngizwe ukuthi wena ngesingawe ubona kanjani. Asingenike endabeni kaThabiso Molefe oyikhansela le-MK Party ngapha eRustenburg. Lena-ke i-resignation letter kaThabiso Molefe. Ngaphambi sifunde nje le resignation letter sizokhumbula ukuthi ngemavikeni amabili adlule uThabiso kwaphuma i-resignation letter yakhe eyayiqonde kumkhonto wesizwe party ethi uyaresign as ikhansela, uyaresign as ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Senza ama-video uyaphuma kuLwesihlanu, ngakusasa kuyisabatha waphinde wenza ivideo yena wathi yena uyaziqhelelanisa naleyo resignation letter, it was a draft. So ngisayichaza futhi naleyo nto uthisho ukuthini ukuthi njengoba ethi draft akayiphiki letter uyayazi kodwa uyithayipile kuphela wangabe esayithumela kumkhonto wesizwe party. Into ayenza wayithumela ku-social media ngesikhathi eye kuyile channel ekuthiwa i-politically incorrect kaBaba Mashiyane bambuzile lapha-ke ukuthi i-resignation letter beyisima kanjani, washo ukuthi wafila frustrated then ubefuna i-attention ukuthi abamkhonto wesizwe party bamuphi i-attention wayesebhala leya letter. Kuningi kakushilo laphaya nanokungasingathwa kwezinto kahle kumkhonto wesizwe party esho ukuthi abatrithwa ngendlela efanayo. uDuduzile wathuka uFloyd kodwa ayikho into eyenziwayo, kodwa yena uchajiwe manje amacala u6 abekwe wona amangalelwe ngawo, so ubala leyo nto leyo. Sizofunda-ke nasi statement sakhe sibhalwe ngomhla ka-10 April 2025 izolo. Sifundeka kanjena-ke Rustenburg Local Municipality Ward 45 Councillor Molefe TG. Le ncwadi ithunyelelwa kwi-office le-Municipal Manager. Attention, Advocate Ashma Kuduke or Kuduge ningixoleleke oyi-Municipal Manager. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ibhalwe ngeyi-10 zika-April 2025. Then i-subject ikwisihloko sithi resignation as Ward 45 Councillor. Ifundeka kanjena-ke le letter. Ngibhala le letter ukunazisa ukuthi mina Thabiso George Molefe, Ward 45 Councillor osuka kumkhonto wesizwe party MKP, ngifaka nansi resignation letter yami usho ukuthi ngiyasula esikhundleni as i-ward councillor kusuka ngomhla ka-1 May. Then wabhala umlayezo wakho wokuvalelisa-ke isayiniwe uyayibona uyisayinile-ke le okusho ngokusobala ukuthi ngempela uresignile-ke uThabiso, kodwa karesignanga kumkhonto wesizwe party, uresigne as ikhansela lomkhonto wesizwe party ku-Ward 45. Uyabona ibhale ukuthi received by, yasho ukuthi ubani oyimukelile le ncwadi, osho ukuthi bathe uma beyimukela nabo bayithatha bayifaka istamp. Njengoba ubona-ke uresignile kodwa useyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party, ngoba kukho la okuthiwa khona uresignile as imember womkhonto wesizwe party. Into eyenzekile uresigne as i-ward councillor. So into ezokwenzeka la ukuze areplacewe kuzofuneka ukuthi kube khona ama-by-election futhi, ngoba uyazi ukuthi la kumakhansela akushiwo ukuthi ngoba ubekukhona wena phuma kungena omunye, cha, kuphinde kubuye abantu baleyo ndawo bavotele omunye umuntu. Okusengenzeka futhi kuwine enye political party, kungabe kusaba i-MK Party, kungenzeka futhi kuwine i-MK Party, kuzodependa nge-candidate abazobe beyifakile lapho. Kodwa nje ilezi ndaba bengithi angizilethe ngoThabiso Molefe ngoba simbonile kakhulu ey'nsukwini ezedlule, futhi-ke kuyathusa kuyamangaza ukumuzwa umuntu osho njengaye ongasabi muntu washo ukuthi yena akekho umuntu ozomxosha kumkhonto wesizwe party umbone resign, kodwa-ke vele akaka-resign kumkhonto wesizwe party, uresigne as ikhansela. Lokho ngifisa ukubeka kucaca, useyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party, uzongabi lo uma sengasesilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party so bayosazisa sida umkhonto wesizwe party uzosazisa ngoba naye uThabiso uzosazisa ngoba vele umuntu oyithanda i-attention. Ilokho ebengithi angikulethele khona. Ngiyacela usubscribe, ushare, ucomment, ulike. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ungasupporta futhi ngokujoina i-membership, iqala ne-R40 ngenyanga kuya phezulu. Lawo ma-contribution azokwenza omkhulu umehluko. Ngiyabonga.